Hello class, get settled in, get your notes out, because today we're going to be going over life insurance and how to choose the right product for you when you're looking at insurance as a potential client, potential customer, for an agent that you're currently talking to, or you're looking for an agent to acquire an insurance policy for yourself or your family. How to make the right decision in terms of creating wealth inside of the insurance policy, also getting maximum on your death benefit, minimizing on cost, and overall securing wealth, leaving a legacy behind for your family. Right? That's the whole idea here. Right? So if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know that not only am I teaching personal finance, right, fundamentals, building a foundation, killing debt, increasing cash flow, lowering expenses, building our credit score, right, but I also like to dive into creating wealth, preserving wealth, and creating a legacy, right? And the three main financial concepts that I always turn to are insurance, banking, and real estate. And so now what I've been doing in those three categories is really peeling back more and more layers as to what product or what vehicle can I use in each one. So I'm going to display three different products in this example here, and this should be able to really identify which product I should go with based on your preferences and your risk potential, right? Things like that. So, I often get a lot of conversations. Denzel, I don't know, man. I hear bad things about whole life. I hear bad things about IUL, right? I hear, whole life has terrible interest returns, and IUL has, extremely high returns, but no guarantee. And it's like, I want to get these returns, or I want to get a high return on my money, but I also want that guaranteed, right? Just in case I don't hit the target, at least I have, a steady, consistent earnings each and every year. I don't want to maximize on cost to get to that return, right? I want to minimize on cost. So let's break these down, right? Let's really figure this out. So you have really three options. You can either go with a whole life insurance policy, right? And as you know, right, money goes into two places, right? Money goes into two places with whole life, right? We've got premiums, okay, and cash. That's it. Premiums and cash. The goal with a whole life policy is you want to minimize on premiums costs and maximize on your cash value growth so that you can earn anywhere from 4 to 6% in 2018. And we know that the four major mutual life insurance companies that provide whole life are Mass Mutual, Guardian, New York Life, Northwestern Mutual. So we know that, right? But, we get caught up on this right here. We're like, it's not enough, Denzel. It's not enough. I'm a guy, I want more, right? For some people, right, that I talk to, like moms, husband that is just trying to secure, right? This is magic to him or her, right? This is perfect. It's tax-free growth. I have access to it anytime. It's liquid. I know I'm not going to lose this money. It's guaranteed. Anything goes down, I lose my life, I get ill, boom, that death benefit is going to be right there to cover me, okay? Other people, maybe younger people like my age, are like, yo, man, I'm trying to make money. Let's go, right? This IUL might speak a little bit better to them, it might bring them a little bit more hype, right? So we know that IUL money goes into 3 places, right? Premiums, okay? Cash, and then fees, right? With potential earnings anywhere from 15, maybe as high as 20%. And that is also tax-free, okay? But we get caught up here on the fee part and the premiums because we know we have to pay a fee every single year. So that's increasing the cost to get to here. We know that our premiums go up every single year, which also increases the cost of the insurance, which also puts an effect on our growth here, right? So we're like, that might be a little risky, you know? I don't know, man. I gotta pay all this money just to get here, right? Even though it's tax-free money, still I gotta worry about all these fees, right? And I don't know how my insurance agent is designing the policy, if he's designing it for maximization on cash, or is he designing it, 50-50 split? What is it, right? So what if you could have the best of both worlds, right? What if you can have, a steady, high-bearing interest account with a guarantee, with minimization on premiums and maximization on cash value, ultimately preserving wealth and leaving a legacy behind? Well, my friend, right here in this area is where you can have the best of both worlds, where you can have a guaranteed interest rate of 4% on your money, okay, with the potential to earn as high as 12.5%. All tax-free gains, right? And we're minimizing, right? Hopefully your agent, right, if you're looking for an agent, understands how to design a policy to minimize on premiums, right? And with this strategy right here, guess what? We don't have any fees to worry about. Even though this money is being invested, we don't have to worry about fees because this product right here is a whole life, right? And this was designed to combat IUL, right? It was designed to pretty much compete with the IUL strategy, where it's like you can still get your guaranteed rate at a guaranteed premium, right? Minimizing premiums, with the potential to earn about 12.5%, right? And you have the ability to choose between the two. What do I mean by that? Well, you can say, I want to put $10,000 a year into this policy, right here, the middle one, and I want 50% of my cash to get invested over here, right, where it looks at the S&P 500 to potentially earn that up to that amount, and I want the other 50% to stay right over here with my guaranteed rate, right, with the potential to have a surplus, right, of 5.85%, right, with a dividend rate of 5.85, so a 1% increase on top of, 1.85 increase on top of the 4, right? So I can have 50% here and 50% there, right? And still never lose my cash flow, earn interest every single year tax-free. The money is liquid at any time. I can pull from it, right? And I get the best of both worlds. I don't have to worry about the fees. I don't have to worry about my premiums going up every single year. All right, and this is, you know, for my people out there that are like, you know what, Denzel, I like your strategy with velocity banking. I like how you show people how to pay off debt, and increase their cash flow. I just feel like sometimes when you do these insurance videos, it's like you're kind of steering off. Not at all, my friend. Not at all. Not at all. Right? Insurance, banking, and real estate. You have those three concepts working in your personal finances. Okay? They will never fail you. Never. Right? Because these concepts have never failed. Period. Right? You don't have to worry. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my simple little breakdown of, defining the three different strategies here. You can definitely go all in, but you have to know your risk, right? Talk to your agent. Make sure they know what they're talking about. Make sure you ask questions. Ask for illustrations, historical documents, right? Same thing on this side. Make sure they know who the four majors are so that you're getting this high guaranteed with a surplus, okay? Make sure they know how to design a policy to maximize on cash, minimize on premiums, okay? And then if you're speaking with your agent, hey man, I want best of both worlds. What can you do for me? See what they say. If they don't know this, come back here. Let me help you out. I know this right here. Okay, my team and I will help you out. We're here to serve. So enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll be coming back, with more lessons on insurance, but I'll also have a few velocity banking strategies. You know who you are. I've been working with you, been talking on the phone. So I'm excited to put your numbers on the board and show you my plans that I have for you to become debt-free. And those are for my loyal subscribers. So you know who you are. If you don't know who you are, you need to be filling out a form so I can help you out. All right? Enjoy. Thank you.